Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can sell crypto on Coinbase for cash. I'm going to show you two methods. One is where you use the browser and one is where you use your mobile app. So on your browser, first things first, you want to come to home. Okay, now here at home at the top right hand side corner, you want to click on sell. Okay, and then you want to select the cryptocurrency you want. Select which asset you want to sell, and then you have to input the amount that you actually want to sell. Okay, and if you need to, you can update the to destination. This usually defaults your local currency, which is, for example, US dollars, but you have the option to add another balance, for example USDC, if you would like to do that. Then what you're gonna do, guys, is select review order. After, of course, you have input the amount, click on review order, then select sell now to actually go ahead and complete the sell. And then once the transaction is complete, once the sale is complete, guys, the funds will be available in your cash balance. And if you want to do this on the mobile app, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select buy and sell. So for example, first click on wallet, click on buy and sell. And then what you want to do, guys, they'll give you a bunch of options: buy, sell, convert. Click on sell. So we're going to be selling our crypto for cash. Then you want to select the crypto you actually want to sell and the amount. For example, here we have Bitcoin. We have $8.91 worth of Bitcoin right here. Click on this, select this option. Then if you have to, you want to update the to destination, update that. By default, of course, guys, it will be USD, but you can update it to another balance, for example USDC. You can add that as well. Then what you're going to do, guys, is select review order, enter the amount you want to sell, for example $5, click on review order. Then what you can review this, and then what you're going to do is click on sell now to complete the transaction. And once the transaction is complete, guys, the funds should be available in your cash balance. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, to get notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.